discuss the reactions of base with the litmus paper, with the zinc metal and the sodium carbonate. First of all, I have taken a few zinc metal in the test tube, and after that I will add the hot sodium hydroxide in the test tube. The zinc metal slowly dissolve in the sodium hydroxide to form the zincate, sodium zincate, with the liberation of hydrogen gas. It will take some time. In the meantime, we will perform the experiment of sodium hydroxide with the litmus papers. Add a few sodium hydroxide in the test tube. First of all, I will check it with the red litmus paper and after that with the blue litmus paper. This is the red litmus paper. If I dip the red litmus paper in this solution, it will turn blue. That indicates the solution in the test tube is the base. As base is turned red litmus into blue, and we will perform the same with the blue litmus paper. There is no any change in the color of the blue litmus paper. So the bases are those solutions which turns red litmus into blue, but there is no change in the blue litmus paper when dipped in the basic solution. The bases that are soluble in water, I have taken the hydroxide. These are the flakes of sodium hydroxide. When I dissolve it in the water, sodium hydroxide a base, it will soluble in water, and the bases that are soluble in water, that are termed as alkalis. All the bases are not soluble in water. The bases that are soluble in water, that are called the alkalis. It will appear like this. After some time, it will completely dissolve in water. So it is an alkali. Next one is the reaction of sodium hydroxide with the sodium carbonate.
Okay, sorry.
As you see, it is completely soluble in water. So it is an alkali. Sodium hydroxide is an alkali. Now move to the next one, reaction of sodium hydroxide with the sodium carbonate. First of all, we will take the small amount of sodium carbonate in the test tube. When there is a reaction between the sodium carbonate and the acid, carbon dioxide gas is produced. We will see what will happen in the case of base. First of all, I have taken some amount of the sodium carbonate in the test tube. Then I will add the few drops of sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide in it, the base.
करना पालो.
There is no any reaction between the sodium hydroxide and the sodium carbonate. In case of acid, there will be the formation of carbon dioxide. This is all about the reaction of a base with the litmus paper, zinc metal and the sodium carbonate.